Welcome, today in front of me Redmi Note 11, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face and the fingerprint here on the scanner here on this power button, and now I'll just make a 5 of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this unlock method is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works really good and really fast, because I just really was slide simple touch. I just don't touch, as can you see, that was really simple touch. I would again unlock the device less than in 1 second, just like a half of second. So I think that the fingerprint scanner works really cool here and fast, and I just suggest you to try this unlock method on your device if you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes. So you just can try the fingerprint scanner here, but be sure always that you got the power key here, that the power key is clean, and also like your fingers to unlock your device more fastly. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.